Hi friends, I'm Siddharth. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the hyperlink on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the hyperlink on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. For an example, in this text, I'm just going to insert a hyperlink and I'm just going to remove this. So first of all, I'm just going to paste the link here. So while I just bring the my cursor on it, you can see it shows my YouTube link, which will be divert to the YouTube channel. So you just need to remove this link. Okay, so right click on your clicking on the cell, right click on the text, and you will see this pop-up option. Here you will see this first option called edit hyperlink. Click on this, and here you will see this option to remove the link. You can just remove the link directly and click OK. Otherwise, right click on here on your mouse. You can see this option called remove hyperlink here itself. Click on this, which will remove the hyperlink from the text. Now it's behave like a normal text. This is how you just remove the hyperlink on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.